Achwani is one of those recipes that feels like a hug in a bowl. It's a hearty Kashmiri dish made from lamb, slow-cooked in an intense blend of spices. Think of it as stew, but with more soul. Now here's the thing that surprises most people. It's incredibly easy to mess this up. You undercook it and the flavor stays flat. You overcook it and it's mush. This is a recipe that demands respect. First of all, the lamb. Don't skimp on quality. Use fresh bone-in cuts like lamb shoulder or ribs. The bones lend depth to the broth. And yes, always rinse the meat beforehand. It's non-negotiable for Kashmiri dishes. The spice mix is where the magic happens. You'll need turmeric, fennel seed powder, dried ginger powder, and of course, Kashmiri red chili. It's not just for heat, it gives that signature red color. Pro tip, toast your spices lightly beforehand. Achwani uses mustard oil, which has a pungency that's irreplaceable. Heat it until it smokes to remove bitterness. If you don't have mustard oil, you can substitute with vegetable oil, but it's kind of like using tap water for fine tea. Start by frying whole spices like cloves, cardamom, and cinnamon in that mustard oil until your kitchen smells unreal. Then, add the lamb pieces and sear them well. Browning meat is chemistry, folks. It's non-negotiable. The next step involves adding water and simmering the lamb with the ground spices. Here's where patience comes into play. You're looking at about 90 minutes of low heat. Use a lid. No shortcuts. Common mistake? Adding too much water. Achwani isn't a soup, it's about balance. You want just enough liquid to coat the meat and gently form a gravy. Eyeball it. You're aiming for coating consistency. A secret ingredient? Asafoetida, or hing. It's a tiny pinch towards the end, but wow, it elevates the flavor. People will think you've been cooking Kashmiri food your whole life. That's the power of hing. By the time it's done, the meat should be fork tender, the spices perfectly mellowed. Serve it with steamed rice. I know some people like bread with everything, but no, the rice amplifies the Achwani gravy like nothing else. This is comfort food that's also deeply rooted in culture. Each bite tells a story of trade routes, spice caravans, and centuries of culinary evolution. You're not just cooking dinner, you're participating in history. The best part? In a world where good lamb dishes cost you $25 at a restaurant, you can make Achwani at home for a fraction of the price. And if you do it right, it's going to taste way better.